Hey everyone, BobMangino here. Is the Florida condo market really in trouble? The Florida Realtors shows that Naples condos have decreased 22% from last year. The question is, how much did Waters condos decrease from last year? Stick around and we'll answer that question by looking at Waters sales data from the Naples MLS. You will see separate sales data for the 2-bedroom and the 3-bedroom condos. While headlines have spotlighted challenges like rising insurance and property taxes, demand is still there. People still want a slice of paradise, especially retirees. Market conditions are shifting, but we want to keep an eye on market trends and not listen to media hype. This isn't just about today, it's about making smart moves for tomorrow. Stay informed, stay calm, and you'll navigate the Florida condo market like a pro. This is a slide of a 2-bedroom condo with a carport in Waters. We did a comparative market analysis. Pre-COVID 2019, the median closed sales price was $195. When the market peaked in 2022, the 2-bedroom had a median closed sales price of $392, and then currently in 2025, we have a median closed price of $305 for the 2-bedroom with a carport. We see that the price jumped 101% from 2019 to the peak in 2022. Then it decreased 22% to the current price of $305. We did comparative market analysis of the 2-bedroom condo with a garage in Waters. And in 2019, the median closed sales price was $232,000. When the market peaked in 2022, it jumped 83% to $425,000. In the meantime, it decreased 16% to the current median closed sales price in 2025 of $356,000. We did a comparative market analysis of the 3-bedroom condos with a garage in Waters, and we saw in 2019 pre-pandemic, the median closed price was $248,000. It then jumped 70% to $424,000 when the market peaked in 2022. And then it decreased, the median closed sales price decreased to $356,000 currently in 2025. It's interesting that we had a net increase of 67% when we compare the 2025 price of $356 with the original price back in pre-COVID of $248. So we have had a nice bump in appreciation from 2019 to 2025 of 67%. Let's clear the air about those Florida condo prices you've been hearing about being in trouble. Rumors say prices are exploding or crashing overnight, but the truth is a much more balanced market. The market's steady with some areas seeing slight increases, others leveling off. It's not a wild roller coaster ride like some suggest. We looked at Waters price appreciation from 2019 to 2025. 2-bedroom condos with a carport appreciated 56%. 2-bedroom condos with a garage appreciated 53%. 3-bedroom with a garage appreciated 67%. If you're thinking about buying or selling, don't get caught up in the panic or hype. Do your homework, check reliable data, and talk to local experts. Florida condos are still a solid investment. Don't believe everything you hear. Keep it real and enjoy paradise. What are your thoughts on the Naples condo market? I'd love to hear what you're thinking. Put your comments in the video comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. For more videos like this, click the video above.